how to fix missing emojis on the Samsung keyboard. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different steps that'll help you fix an issue where your Samsung keyboard is missing certain emojis or it's not showing emojis at all. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the best way to do this is to first open up the settings on our Samsung phone, and we could do that by swiping up and then select settings. Now, the first thing I recommend doing in the settings is going into the settings for your keyboard. And we do that by scrolling down almost to the bottom, and you'll see General Management. Select General Management. Once in General Management, select Samsung Keyboard Settings. And then if you're not having any emojis on your Samsung phone, what I recommend doing is scrolling down, and you just want to make sure that the keyboard toolbar is turned on. If you turn that on, then you'll see the toolbar that'll show you emojis that you can use. So you select that, and then you can use the emojis. Now, if you're missing specific emojis from your Samsung keyboard, what I recommend doing in the Samsung keyboard settings is scrolling up to the top, selecting Languages and Types, and then select the three dots in the top right and check for updates. So we're just going to make sure that our keyboard has the latest version of the actual languages, and this will include any new emojis. If there are any updates available, there'll be a little circle icon that shows up next to the language. Select that, and then it will update it and download the latest version. Now, if that still didn't work for you, what I recommend doing is going back to the main page of the settings and scroll down almost all the way to the bottom and select Software Update. Once you get in here, it's going to check your phone to see if there is an update available. If there is one, I recommend downloading and installing that update. If there's been any new emojis that have been added, this might give you the latest version of the keyboard or emojis available. So I definitely recommend updating the software on your phone. This usually is the biggest fix for this issue. Now, if after doing this, you're still missing a specific emoji from your keyboard on your Samsung phone, what I recommend doing is opening up a browser and navigating to texttrick.com. Check the description, I'll have it down there. But this is a website I created, and you can find any emoji you want to on this website. So once you get to texttrick.com, select the menu button in the top right, then select Emoji Copy and Paste. And then once here, you'll see a full list of all the emojis that you can have. And this is an updated list. And you can just search whatever you want, and it'll show you any of the emojis that match that search term. You can also scroll down to see different categories or scroll through the entire list of emojis that are available. And all you need to do is simply select it, and it'll copy it, and then you can paste it wherever you want to use that emoji. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.